Hey everybody, we picked up little Tank Man, which I'll put a little bit of a clip in there with you because he was in here before. He often sits down here on the mat while I do my makeup, so he's a big part of our lives, the only child left at home. So say hi everybody. He's awesome, little French bulldog. So we unpacked and then hubby goes, oh, let's go and pick you up this awesome little kit we saw the other day, which is the, well, my lighting might be a little bit better. So he bought me a little light kit, and while we were there, of course, he said, well, you need some more makeup. So, who am I to complain? So we got some, and I will put these again in the bottom left corner or your right, just so you can see the product a little bit closer. So it's Avène BB cream. I'm not sure if you can see it there. It's tinted, SPF 30, so I'll use this on a no makeup day where I don't really feel like putting a lot of makeup on. It's tinted, so it's really lovely, very creamy in texture. Thought I'd better try and work with what my mama gave me. And got some Maybelline 801 Very Black Definer Lash. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. And I'm still going to count the arms because I'm doing them at a rapid rate. It's a very bad habit, so I'm going to pull myself up. Try anyway. Then I got Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Ivory 05 Under Eye Concealer. The applicator's really cool. So yeah, that should go on really well. I'm going to give that a go tomorrow. Show you all how it works. That looks lovely. Bit of Revlon Candid. This is new, I think, or not long out anyway. Not for me. I haven't seen it. Revlon Photo Ready Candid Foundation Colour 240 Natural Beige. So, and that is just a pressed. I don't particularly like these because I don't think you can get all of the product out of the container, but see how we go. Good old Maybelline's been good on my list lately. Maybelline, what's it called? Master Camo 50 Apricot colour. So it's for the dark under eyes. Hopefully that will cover them up a little bit underneath the foundation. Went back again and got a little bit of the Very Vegan matte bronzer. It's actually really cute. It's got, I don't really want to put my fingers in there, it's got a little love heart. I don't know if you can actually see that. Little love heart in there. So I'm going to give that a go tomorrow. That's really, really cute. That colour was Sunkissed, it's called. Sunkissed colour, so that's pretty cute. Hubby went and looked at some tyres for his Land Cruiser, and when I went back out to the car, he bought me this couple of little prezzies. He'd actually been into the store and bought them. I didn't even know, and he goes, oh, there's a little bag down there. So he's so cute. He's so very cute. So we have a Revlon High Shine lip polish, colour 950 natural. That looks really, really nice and natural. I think that'll suit me very, very well. Isn't he cutie? And then there's these new Rimmel jelly glitters. He bought me 2 of those. I don't know if you can see them in the monitor there. One is in like a beautiful greenish greyish colour, and the other one is just a white glitter, but it says that you can apply it to your lids, face and body. So there it goes. Can you see that? It's very shiny, very glittery. I think you can put it on your body all over. And then a little L'Oreal Paris, I don't know if you can quite see the colour there, it's actually really gorgeous. L'Oreal Paris Smoky Eyeshadow. It's gorgeous. Colour 305. So pretty special. So it's been a pretty awesome couple of weeks actually. Reconnecting with hubby and travelling away with his work, seeing what he does every day. Yeah, spending some time, quality time together, and then coming back and getting back into my stuff, which I'm having a ball with at the moment, so pretty lucky girl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 2 giveaways. They're the same product. Today is Saturday. I'm going to do it for next Friday night. So I'm going to run a competition, and the first 2 people to tell me, and if you know me, you know me well, or if you've been watching, you'll be able to tell what my favourite colour is, and you will get one of these, which are the original ones that I started my videos with. So Maybelline Tattoo Brow Tints in the colour light brown. So it's the one that peels off, if you remember back to the first video I think that I did. Leave a comment below or comment on my Instagram, and the first 2 people to pick the right colour, if you know me, yeah, DM me and I will give me your address and I'll send them off to you. That's pretty exciting. Gonna have some fun. So, you know, give back to some of the people that are actually having some fun along the way with me. So, take care of you, as always. There's certain people that I say that to, and you know who you are. And I will catch you again soon. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, so part of the kit that my hubby got for me today is this cutest little thing. And it says on air. How cool is that? So if that's on the door, don't enter. I think that is the cutest thing that I've seen in a while. And it came with this as well. Shut the front door. How cute is that? And you can actually put on there production, roll, scene, take, director, date. So then you know when to go to the next take, because it takes a few times, as you know. And then I thought I might just put this little one on that hubby bought me today. It's actually a really gorgeous colour, so it's gonna wow, the texture's beautiful. Very nice. Thanks, hubby.